Hello my dear students, once again welcome back for mathematics online class. Today we shall do two exercises in mathematics, that is exercise 5.10 and 5.11. Now here we have exercise 5.10. For this you can refer to page number 101 in your textbook. Here question number 1, solve the following. If 5.0094 is multiplied by 7. In multiplication, we always start from right hand side. So your 5.0094 is multiplied by 7. First 4 is multiplied by 7. 7 4s are 28. We'll put this 8 and we'll write here straight. And this 2 will carry on here. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 2, 65. We'll write here 65. We'll call this 5 here. Straight. Now 6 is carry on here. 7 zeros are 0. If any number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. 7 zeros are 0. 6 here. So this 6 is left. We'll write 6 here. 7 zeros are 0. Then 7 5s are 35. We'll write 35 here. Now you can count here this digit after decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places after decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here decimal sign. Now next here F 469.8 is multiplied by 813. So first we'll multiply this 469.8 by 3. 3 8s are 24. 4 will write here. 2 carry on here. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 2. 29. 27, 28, 29. Now we'll put this 9 and we'll write straight here. Now 2 is carry on here. 3 6 are 18. 18, 19, 20. We'll write 2 0. 0 will write here. Now here 4 is multiplied by 3. 3 4s are 12. 2 is carry on here. 3 4s are 12. 12, 13, 14. We'll write 14 here. And we'll write this. Always use pencil here. Now here next 469.8 is multiplied by 1. If any number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. 1 8s are 8, 1 9s are 9, 1 6s are 6, 1 4s are 4. Now here next. Here 469.8 is multiplied by 8. 8 8s are 64. We'll write 4 here straight. Then 6 will carry on here. 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 6. 78. We'll write here. 8 will cut here and write. Then 7 carry on here. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 7. 55. We'll cut this 5 and we'll write here. Then 5 is carry on here. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 5, 37. We'll write 37 here. Now after that we'll add these numbers. 4 straight. 9 plus 8, 17. 7 right here, 1 carry on here. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. 4 will write here, 1 carry on here. Here, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 8, 19. We'll write 9 here straight. 1 carry on here. 5, 4, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. We'll write here 1, then 1 carry on here. 7 plus 1, 8, then 3. We'll count the digit after decimal point. Here only 1. So here 1 place after decimal. So here answer is here. 1 stands 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 3,81,947.4. Now next here 6.938 is multiplied by 904. Here first 4 8 32. We'll write 3 2 here. 2 carry on here. Sorry, this 2 will write here, 3 carry on here. Now here second 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 15. 5 will write here, carry on here 1. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 1 37. We'll write 7 here straight. Then 3 carry on here. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. We'll write 27 here. Now always use pencil here. Now next 6.938 is multiplied by 0. If any number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. Now here 0 8 are 0, 0 3 are 0, 0 9 are 0, 0 6 are 0. Now here 6.938 is multiplied by 9. 9 8 are 72. We'll put this 2 here straight. 7 carry on here. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 7. 34. 34. We'll write 4 here. Now we'll carry on 3. 9 9s are 81. 81 plus 3. 84. 84. 4. We'll cut this 4 and we'll write here. Then 8 is carry on here. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 8 is 62. We'll write 62 here. Now we'll add these numbers. Straight. 2, 5, 7 plus 2, 9. 7 plus 4, 11. 1. Carry on here. 1. 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 2. Then 6. We'll count the digit after decimal point. 1, 2, 3. Here decimal point 1, 2, 3. Here in answer also 1, 2, 3. Here decimal point. 1 stands 100, 1000, 6,271.952. Your question number 4. If the height of one floor of a building is 11.75 feet, what will be the height of 24 such floors? In this case, you have to multiply because we are finding more than 1. Here, height of one floor of a building is equals to 11.75 feet. So when we are finding the height of such 24 floors, here we have to multiply this 11.75 by 24. As you can see here, we got answer 282 feet. Now here we have exercise 5.11. For this you can refer to page number 102 in your textbook. Question number 1, solve the following. Here 0.002 is multiplied by 0.35. 0.002 is multiplied by 0.35. Now here, first we'll multiply this 0.002 by 5. 5 2s are 10. We'll write 0 1 carry on here. 5 zeros are 0. We'll write this only. 1 0 10. Now second digit here is 3. So again here 2 is multiplied by 3. 3 2s are 6. Now you can see here we'll add this number. We don't need to find out this. 0, then this 6 plus 1 is 7. Now here will come the digit after decimal point. Here 1, 2, 3. Here 3. Here 1 after decimal point. 2 places. 1, 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2. We can put here 0, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here decimal point. Then we can write here 0. This 0 is valueless. We can put any number of 0. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 after decimal point. 1, 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the answer here. H. 4.3 is multiplied by 2.9, then again multiplied by 5.2. First we'll write 4.3 into 2.9. Your 9 3s are 27. We'll write 7 here straight, then 2 carry on here. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 2, 38. 38. Then again here 4.3 is multiplied by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. Now we'll add this. 7, 8 plus 6, 14, 4, 1 carry on. 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. Now last one here, again we have to multiply by 5.2. 5.2. Here 5.2. Now 2 7s are 14. 4. 2 4s are 8. 1 carry on. 2 4s are 8. 9. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. Again this multiply by 5. 5 7s are 35. 5 3 carry on here. 5 4s are 20, 23. We'll write 3 here to carry on. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 2. 5 1s are 5. 6. Now we have to add this. We don't have space here. I'll write here. Here 4. 4. Then 9 plus 5, 14. 4. Then 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, then 2 plus 2, 4, then 6. Now here count the digit after decimal point. Here 1, here 1, here 1. 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 places after decimal point. After decimal, 3 places after decimal point. 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. Now this is your answer. Here next year 12.96 is multiplied by 2.3. First 3 6 are 18. 8. 1 carry on here. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 1, 28. 8 will write here straight. 2 carry on here. 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. Then 3 1s are 3. Now 2 6s are 12. 2 1 carry on here. 2 9s are 18, 19. 2 2s are 4. 1 carry on here. 2 2s are 4, 5. 2 1s are 2. Here we'll add this. 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 carry on here. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 8. 1 carry on here. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9, 2. Again you have to multiply by 3.5. 5 8s are 40, 0. We'll carry on 4 here. 4, 5 zeros are 0. 4 is here. 4 will write. 5 8s are 40, 0. 4 carry on here. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 4, 49. 4 carry on here. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Now again multiply by 3. 3 8s are 24. 4, 2 carry on here. 3 zeros are 0. 2, 9. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 4, 2 carry on here. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 2, 28, 29, 9. 2 carry on here. 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. Now we'll add this one. Here 0. 4 plus 4, 8. 2 plus 0, 2. Then 9 plus 4, 13, 3. Then 1 carry on here. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 4. 1 carry on here. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Now we'll count here decimal point, or we'll count the digit after decimal point. Here point 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 places after decimal point. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 104.328. Now here next word problems. One sack of onion weigh 5.35 kg. What will be the weight of 7.75 sack? Here solution. Weight of one sack of onions. What is the weight of one sack of onions? Is equals to 5.35 kg. Therefore, the weight of how many sacks here? 7.75 sacks of onions is equals to 5.35 kg is multiplied by 7.75. Here we'll work here 5.35 multiplied by 7.75. 5 5s are 25. 5 2 carry on. 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. 7 will write here straight. 1 carry on here. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1, 26. Now here we'll multiply by 7. 7 5s are 35. 5 3 carry on here. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 3, 24. We'll write here 4. 2 carry on here. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 2, 36, 37. Here again your same number multiply. This number is multiplied by same number. So here 5 4 7 3. We'll add this number. 5 7 plus 5 12. 2 1 carry on here. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 1 11. 11 plus 5 16. 1 carry on here. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 7 10. 10 plus 4 14. 4 1 carry on here. 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 1 11. 1 here 1 carry on. 3 plus 1 4. Here we'll count a digit after decimal point. Here 2 places. Here 2 places. 2 plus 2 4. So 1 2 3 4 here. So the answer is 41.4625 kgs. Dear children, here we have come to the end of today's online class. Thank you very much.